What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencia. Welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. For today, we are back for a Well Carino reaction para sa 47th anniversary special of Eat Bulaga. Oh my God, thank you so much po sa aking Mami Sani who sent me the link to check out this performance. And of course, before I proceed, guys, gusto ko lang humingi ng prayers din sa inyo dahil Mami Sani will undergo a cataract operation. So, we wish her and we pray for her fast recovery and a successful operation. And of course, ito nga ay para sa The Broadway Boys with Ruel Carino and One Frame. And mega love shoutout to Rochelle Pilapil for uploading this. Thank you so much po for uploading this para mamareactan natin. And of course, kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Whoa. Broadway Boys. Ngayon ko lang sila narinig. Wow, ganda ng harmony. Lola's Playlist 2017. Oh my God, grabe naman ang Broadway Boys natin. First time ko silang napanood at napakinggan at talaga naman grabe ang harmonization. So quartet pala ito. In fairness. Oh my God, what a vocal. Oh. Ano mga pangalan nila, guys? Comment down below. In fairness sa Mr. Suave Bigote, but the vocal. In fairness. Ganda ng loto. Grabe ang mga low tone and nuances. I love it. The vocals is giving, guys. Oh my God. Ang galing ng nag-high notes, guys. Wow. Oh my God, anong pangalan niya? He is so good. The vocals is giving. Wow, galing ng Broadway Boys. Hindi siya head tone, guys. It's a normal vocal. Ay, ito yung nag-head tone. Wow. Whoa. Wow, I love the combination of their vocal. Merong mataas, may mababa, from the high notes to the low tone. Perfection. Wow, what a good discovery, guys. Bago lang ba sila? You can comment down below, guys. I'm not familiar with the Broadway Boys. Of course, our bunso! Oh, di ba? The original vocal. Sarit. Ang pogi ng bunso. Ang ganda ng salamin niya. Grabe, matmoto na matmoto. Diba? Ang pogi ni Ruel. Grabe ang outfitan, no? Talaga naman for the 47th anniversary ng Eat Bulaga. Grabe, 7 years. Parang after 7 years ng Eat Bulaga, pinanganak ako. Grabe, 40 years old na tayo mga kababayan. Oo. Oh, cute! Ay, mga bata sila dati. Oh my gosh. Guys, wait. Sila ba yung nasa LED screen ng mga bata? Ano ba 'tong mga Beer It Babies noon? May segment na gano'n ng Eat Bulaga dati. Oh my gosh! Oh my God, ang galing ng Broadway voice. With Ruel.
Why build a dream that cannot come true?
Galing ni Ruel.
So be strong, reach the stars now. Walk away, walk on. You will never see
Grabe, mga bata pa pala mga Broadway boys noon.
a portrait of my love.
Oh, ganda ng combination. Wow.
I know.
Oh my God, ang cute. Parang bakit nagiging emotional tayo, guys? Oh my God, Broadway voice is giving as well. Galing! Oh! Oh my gosh! This is such a treat, guys. Whoa! Wow! Oh my gosh! Amazing! There you have it, guys. That is Bunsor Ruel Carino with the Broadway Boys. What a stunning, spectacular performance. Grabe yun. Grabe ang vocals ng Broadway Boys, guys. Hindi ko sila kilala. First time ko sila napakinggan. And they are all giving vocals exceptional. Of course, together with our beloved Bunsor Ruel Carino. It's so nice. I love the combination. May iba pa pang performance sila, guys. Grabe. Na-enjoy ko talaga and nag-level up ang performance because of these amazing boys from Ruel Carino to the Broadway Boys. And of course, very special yung dating, because it's 47th year of Eat Bulaga. Grabe, what can you say about this performance, guys? You can comment down below. And thank you so much for requesting this. And of course, again, get well soon as Mommy Sunny, we love you and I love you so much. I wish you a successful operation and I pray for your fast recovery. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today, guys, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.